Hello student, in this video I will solve exercise 12.2 onward question number 3. In this question it has been said that express the number appearing in the following statement in standard form. So dear children, as we know what is a standard in standard form, expressing the very small and very large number. Okay, let a number n, okay, then expressing in standard form we have to write m into 10 to the power p. Okay, means in exponent form where the value of m is less than 10 and greater than 1.0 and p is any integer. Okay, where p is integer. Okay, so let us move on the first part of question number 3. This is given 1 micron is equal to 1 upon 1,000,000 means 60 meter. Okay, means ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 1 upon 10 lakh meter in standard form. So 1 upon 1,000,000 means 60 meter express as this is written 1 upon 10 to the power 6. Okay, now bring the exponent 10 to the power 6 in numerator, so this will be 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter. Okay, this is the standard form of 1 micron. Now move to the second part. Charge of an electron is this is 0.000000000 1 2 3 4 5 6 00006 times 16 coulomb. Okay, to represent this number in standard form, this is very small number, so to express in standard form, so shifting or say that moving the decimal from left to right between 1 and 6. Okay, so if it moves from left to right, then the power of the in exponent of the power of the base 10 is negative. Okay, so in standard form this is 1.6 into 10 to the power, this is 3 6 9 12 15 18 and 1 is 19 coulomb. Okay, 1.6 into 10 to the power 19 coulomb in standard form. Third part is size of a bacteria is 0.0000005 meter. Okay, so in standard form this become 5.0 into 10 to the power, shifting again decimal from left to right. So how many places? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, meter. 5 into 5.0 into 10 to 1 minus 7 meter, the size of bacteria in standard form. Okay, and the fourth part is size of a plant cell is 0.0000175 meter. So this will be written in standard form 1.275 into 10 to the power 415 minus 5 meter. Okay, 1.275 into 10 to the power 5 meter. The last part of question number 3. Thickness of a thick paper is 0.07 mm. Okay, so this is in standard form, is written 7 into 10 to the power 2 minus 2 millimeter mm. Okay, so we have to express the following given statement in standard form. Okay, this is the required solution of exercise 12.2 question number 3. Okay, okay children, now move to the question number 4. In this question it have been said that in a stock there are 5 books, each of thickness 20 mm and 5 paper sheets, each of thickness 0.016 mm. What is the total thickness of the stock? We have to find what is the total thickness of the stock. Okay, so we have given the thickness of each 5 books. Okay, given that thickness of each 5 books is equal to, which is equal to 20 mm. Okay, and hence the thickness of 5 books equal to, okay, the thickness of each books. Okay, this is thickness of each books given here, not 5, thickness of each books given, which is equal to 20 mm. Then find the thickness of 5 books. So we need to multiply 5 by 20 mm. Hence thickness of 5 books equal to 5 into 20 mm equal to 100 mm. Okay, 100 mm, and also given the thickness of each paper sheet. Okay, thickness of each paper sheet, which is equal to 0.016 mm. Hence, to find the thickness of 5 paper sheet, so we need to multiply 5 into 0.016 mm. So therefore, hence thickness of 5 paper sheet equal to, we need to multiply 5 into 0.16 mm, which is equal to 0.80 mm. Okay, this is 0.016 is equal to 0.80 mm. Okay, this is thickness of 5 paper sheet. Okay, and finally we have to ask the total thickness of the stock. So to find the total thickness of the stock is equal to, we have to add the thickness of 5 book plus thickness of 5. Okay, then total thickness of the stock equal to thickness of 5 books plus thickness of 5 paper sheet. Okay, 5 paper sheet. The total thickness of the stock equal to thickness of 5 books plus thickness of 5 paper sheet. So we have find thickness of 5 books. Thickness of 5 books, which is equal to 100 mm plus thickness of 5 paper sheet, which is equal to 0.08 mm. So therefore, the thickness of total stock equal to 100.080 mm. Okay, and in standard form, this is 1.0080 into 10 to the power 2 mm. Okay, so this is the total thickness of the stock, means 5 book plus 5 paper sheet. So dear children, this is the required solution of question number 4. Okay.